Welcome students of the exam classes. This is a video about the exam of 2025. We will look at the question and we'll look at the answer. We're talking about question 18b. So question 18 and then part B, because some videos back I did part A. Let's look at the question that we're talking about right now. So let's look at it. In 1919, the League of Nations, the Volkenbond, was started. It was initiated. And in Dutch, initiated began, significa opgericht. So they began it in 1919, in the same year as the Treaty of Versailles, het Verdrag van Versailles. En nu de vraag, now the question, name two reasons why the League of Nations, de Volkenbond, niet zijn doel heeft bereikt. So it did not reach its final goal. Why not? Let's look at that. There are two of the following reasons, and together you can earn 1 point. Yeah? The League of Nations bleek niet opgewassen tegen de opkomst van Adolf Hitler en Benito Mussolini. Yeah? So here you have Adolf Hitler over there, and above me you'll get Benito Mussolini over here, the dictator of Italy, and they were not able to control, withstand, fight against these two people. Papavimento nostro visa no per competi co algo. So they couldn't compete with something. Ze waren niet opgewassen tegen iets. No per competi co algo. E algo Akita, Adolf Hitler, Nazi Germany, en Benito Mussolini, Italy. Also, de organisatie kon niet voorkomen dat er opnieuw een wereldoorlog uitbrak. They couldn't prevent again starting a world war. Yeah? No por prevenir esse aqui. Yeah? No por prevenir a Segunda Guerra Mundial. They could not prevent a world war starting again, opnieuw. And three, they had no means to put an end to conflicts because they had sancties, but the sanctions, the sanctionan, they did not work because a country could just say, okay, I'm going to step out of the Volkenbond, I'm going to step out of the League of Nations, and bye-bye. Dus ze hadden geen enkel middel om eigenlijk in te grijpen als er iets gebeurde wat niet goed was. Yeah? I hope this is clear about Mussolini, about Hitler, about the Second World War there, yeah? And about sancties die eigenlijk niet werkten. Goodbye, adieu.